Need to remove someone from a WhatsApp group but not sure how to do it? Let's break it down step by step. Watch this video until the end. I will also share a tip on how to easily check group activity. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have admin rights in the group. Without them, you won't be able to remove participants. Firstly, open the WhatsApp. Just launch the app and in the Chats tab right here, scroll to the group where you want to remove participants and open it. Just click on the chat and tap afterwards on the name of the group. Scroll through the list of the participants and click on the participant which you want to remove, and in the pop-up menu click Remove and click OK to confirm. And back in the chat, you will see a notification that the person was removed. This is visible to all group members. Now that the participant has been removed, you can manage your group more efficiently. So also a bonus tip for admins, regularly check who's active in the group. This keeps your group useful and engaging. Ask for feedback to make sure conversations stay relevant and interesting. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep creating more useful content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.